Good morning. It's July 24th on a Sunday. And this morning I've got a customer's phone I've got to fix, and then photo shoot at 9. It's about 7 in the morning right now. It's a nice morning though. Got so many keys. After I open up shop here, I'm gonna go and scout the photo location again, just to make sure that that's the location, or that location's gonna work. Alright, I'm gonna get my camera gear ready for this photo shoot this morning. To the ones that don't know, I also do photography, and I do a few photo sessions during the year and during the weekends when I'm not landscaping, just like today. So I'm gonna get my gear ready for that this morning. I got a photo shoot kids photo shoot and the grandmas, and I've been doing this photo shoot I think for 4 years now, 3 or 4 years now. They come to me every year for their photo session, so I'll be doing that this morning. And yeah, I do a little bit of everything in the photo, when it comes to video and photos. I try to get my hands on because I enjoy doing them. What do I have for my gear? Well, I've got this Canon 6D right here I shoot with my primary, and then I've got the 24 to 105 Canon's LNs here, and then I also have a 50mm 1.2, another LNs, and then a 70 to 200. I think this is a 2.8 zoom lens. That's what I work with. And then for my videos I shoot with the 70D. Next Saturday I've got a wedding I gotta shoot, and then the following Saturday I've got another wedding to go shoot. So it keeps me busy. Morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How about yourself?
Good.
Thank you very much.
Okay, yeah, no problem. There's the broken screen, and I'm gonna put a new one on. All fixed. There it is.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yep, no problem.
Have a great day.
You too. Time for a photo shoot. Hi there.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good.
We'll get the little one with the girls, and then just some individual shots of the little one.
Okay.
And then if they need to go, then they can go.
Okay.
And then the girls, we can go downtown Main Street.
Oh, fine. Okay.
Want to do that too.
Okay.
Done here at the first location. Now we're gonna go Main Street. to go get some photos over there. Done with the phone repair and photo shoot, and it's about 10 a.m. I'm gonna go home and get my headphones and get some mowing done before it gets too hot. Got done mowing and went home and eat, and then I came back down, so I'm now gonna put stuff away. Okay, got it. Mom's gonna vlog.
Are we gonna go for a walk?
Sure.
Go find Pokemon.
Pokestops?
Yeah.
Okay. Are we ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Where are we going?
Look.
For a walk?
Yeah, downtown.
Mom's gonna be vlogging.
Downtown, Mom.
Okay, let's go.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Alright, here we go. Whoa, watch your step.
I have most BBs. I don't need me. What's on you? It's on your arm.
It's on Cole's arm.
No!
What?
It just disappeared. Oh! I win, Mom.
Huh?
I win.
You win?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Let me see.
Right there.
Oh.
It's the baddest Pokemon in the game. I have a Pikachu and a good Hypno.
Oh.
It's like now we're turning into a gaming channel. Hey, Pokeball! Pokeball stuff.
Yeah, you never seen that?
No,
I seen it when we drove by last night.
I did not.
Yeah, you see it on the window?
Oh, that is cool. Hey, I'm gonna watch the new Ghostbusters.
Oh, it's Ghostbusters today, huh?
Oh,
Okay, which way are we going?
Airplane. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's an airplane.
Where is it?
Airplane, Mom. Right above me.
That wasn't good.
Bye-bye, Mom.
It's going bye-bye.
Yeah. Rain, rain, go in.
How's the rest of it go?
Rain, go away.
Back down here at the office. It's about 8:30 p.m. I will be at the GIE Expo 2016 Wednesday night, Thursday, Friday, and then I'll be leaving Saturday morning. So, if any of you guys want to meet up, hang out, chit chat, whatever, holler at me. You know, it'll be fun. You know, meet some new people that do the same thing I do. So yeah, I'll be there if it doesn't snow in Minnesota. If it don't snow in Minnesota by then. So yeah, because we also do snow removal, and hopefully I hope that it doesn't snow yet. We're gonna choose a winner, and then yeah, even though it's Sunday, but it's gonna be for Monday's vlog, Monday morning's vlog. So today is actually Monday if you're watching this, or today's actually Sunday, but it's actually Monday. You get it. So we're gonna pick the winner here for the hat, brand new hat, and brand new shirt, landscaping, Singvongsa landscaping shirt and hat. So we're gonna choose it here so it's fair, and here we go. All right, well, let's go YouTube random. Go to that. We'll make this fair. There, let's load the comments. Okay. Now we'll choose the winner. Right there. I like perks. You are the winner. We only have large and extra large for these shirts. So you have to let me know what size you want, and the hat is adjustable, snap back. So just let me know, message me on the YouTube, my YouTube channel, with information, mailing address, and yeah, and then I'll get it sent out. I'd like to thank everybody that participated on that giveaway. And I will be giving free stuff, more free stuff away in the future vlogs. So I appreciate the support and comments. And yeah, I'll just try to keep plugging away on these vlogs for you guys. And I appreciate each one of you taking the time out of your life to watch my life and the cruise life that works for me. So yeah, I like perks. Message me. We'll get those gear sent out for you. So thank you guys.